In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to automate tasks in Asana. We'll walk through how to use Asana's built-in AI to quickly summarize a task, so you can cut through the noise and act faster. This is perfect when you're handed a long description or a long thread of updates and you just need the key points in seconds. Start by opening Asana and heading to your home view. This gives you a clean jumping off point so you're not hunting around different projects. From there, move to the left side and click My Tasks. This filters the workspace to the work assigned to you, which keeps your focus tight and makes sure you're not summarizing someone else's backlog by mistake. Once you're in My Tasks, switch to the List tab. List View is great for scanning details because it lays out tasks in a compact, sortable table. If you usually live in Border Calendar, List will feel denser, but it's faster for the kind of AI action we're about to take. Choose the task you want to work with. Pick something that has a meaningful description, subtasks, or a trail of activity. The more context a task already has, the more useful the AI summary will be. Open the task so you can see its details pane. Scroll down until you find the comment area. This is the collaboration hub where conversations and updates land, and it's also where AI tools are conveniently accessible. Being in the comment section keeps your summary close to the ongoing discussion, which helps your team stay aligned. Look for the AI assist options in that task pane. You'll typically see an icon that indicates AI features. Clicking it reveals a set of helpful prompts designed to save you time on common workflows. If you don't immediately see the AI tools, it may depend on your plan or workspace settings. Select Summarize Task. Asana will analyze the task's description, related fields, and recent activity to produce a concise, readable overview. This is especially powerful if you're joining a task midstream or returning after a few days and need to get back up to speed quickly. Read the summary carefully to confirm it reflects deadlines, owners, and any blockers. Treat it as a quick briefing that highlights what matters so you can prioritize your next move with confidence. That's it. By starting from home, narrowing to My Tasks, using lists for clarity, opening the right task, and tapping AI Assist to summarize, you've just automated one of the most time-consuming parts of task management, catching up. Use this whenever you need a crisp snapshot of work without diving into every detail.